I see of my mother that he is good taking care of her children and good to her husband.
It's me again, Rodelyn, and I am here to interview Miss MARILYN. Hello, Miss MARILYN.
Hi,
How are you today?
I'm fine. I feel nervous.
Okay, don't be nervous. It's fine. So, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is MARILYN. I'm 43 years old. I live in Cebu City.
So, can you tell us about yourself? Like, what type of person are you, your work, and your hobbies?
I'm working in Ngoying Express. And then my hobbies is singing and cooking.
Okay, so what type of person are you?
I'm a good, kind, respectful, understanding.
Very nice. Do you have children?
No, I am single.
But are you open to the possibility of having children in the future?
Yes, of course.
Like how many?
I think too.
Okay, so is it a girl or a boy?
Yes, of course. One girl and one boy.
Can you tell me why did you join AFA?
Because I see my friend told me that she said that I am looking for my future husband. So that's why she sent me in my messenger and I see the link of this kind of AFA and I think of myself that it is nice. It is not the same with the other side. So that's why I came here and joined for us.
So what are the qualities that you're looking for in a foreign man?
Respectful, loyal, trustworthy, and kind.
Can you describe your perfect man?
Yes, I want my future husband is high. Someone understand of me.
How do you feel about dating someone handicapped?
For me, I would like prepare with a healthy man so that we can build a family and then working together.
How would you deal with the man with the grown-up children?
It is important to a partner to communicate, to work things out.
How do you feel about dating a man without any religion?
It is important to me that he had faith in God because God is the center of our life.
Okay, so what Filipino dish would you cook for your future husband?
For me, I have been experience of working of food like an international cuisine because I've been working in a restaurant and hotel. I know how to cook like Mexican food, European, and then Thailand, Vietnamese, and Korean.
Wow, amazing. So, but do you cook Filipino dish?
Yes, I like calderita, lumpia Shanghai, and humba.
So, those are the dishes that you want to cook for your future husband?
Yes.
How will you treat your future husband?
As a wife, I will take care of him and the family and a loyal wife.
Searching for that one special woman to complete your life? Join men from all over the world as they take a trip and find their future brides. Check out our website at
Philippine-women.com.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then click on the notice bell to get notified every time we add something new.